This is OkThings, the app that helps you remember the things you forget. You open the app and see nothing. For a quick start, tap this button. Look through the list and check off what you already have. Let's say bread, eggs, milk. Hit finish. You'll now see your stuff grouped by type. Let's review our food. You can see what you have, where it's kept, how much you have, and when it expires. To update the quantity, just drag the number up or down. When you drag down, it's added to your shopping list. Here's your shopping list. You'll see two numbers, how much to buy and how much you own. Drag up and down to set the quantity. If you want to add something, use the search button to see if it's already on the list. If it's not on the list, you can use Quick Add. When out shopping, you can check off things to mark them as purchased. When you get back home, tap Finish Shopping. It will add those things to your inventory and guess an expiration date based on your last purchase. Or, it will ask you for an expiration date. You'll now see the expiration dates. If you want reminders before things expire, scroll down and enable notifications. Let's add something else we often forget: clothes. Go to Types and create new type. Call it Clothes. It doesn't need a name or expiration date, but let's enable images and quick create. Tap the plus button to add items. Done. Your clothes are now in the app. Now you have a list of clothes you can look through and decide what to wear. Let's group your clothes into outfits. For this, you can use tags. Go to Tags and create one called Casual. Make it visible for clothes. Then create another, call it Formal. Now go back to Clothes and you'll see your tags. Tap one or more to assign. When you want to see your tagged things, go to Tags, select the tag, and there they are. If you've got feedback, want to report bugs, or have ideas for new features, email hello@okthings.app.